how to delete all downloads in Netflix account in one click. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, you need to select the profile you want to delete all downloads in your account. So for my example, I select the Richard profile. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in Richard profile homepage, tap the My Netflix on the lower right side on your screen. And after that, tap the 3 line on the upper right side on your screen. And the pop-up below are show. Here in pop-up, okay, go to app settings. In app settings, you can see here the delete all downloads. And you can tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, delete all downloads. And here in pop-up, you can tap the delete button to delete all downloads in one click in your Netflix account. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully deleted all downloads in Netflix account in one click on your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.